As you can see, there's a top and a bottom plate. We're just going to start with the bottom plate. To open it, you only need a Phillips head screwdriver. Open it up, and you can see on the inside there's a layer of insulation. It's pretty squishy. Just make sure you don't lose your screw. Set it down and open up all the insulation on the inside until you can see the panel. Looking closely, you can see there's two settings, hot on the bottom and very hot on the left. You can use your screwdriver to adjust that little white arrow and get it to the setting you want. When we first moved in, it was more on the hot side. We had to move it to the very hot side to get enough heat up through our pipes in the winter and up to the second floor where we can actually have enough hot water. Okay, so that's the bottom one. You're going to do the same thing on the top. Adjust it so it's a little bit hotter if you need it hotter, or colder if you need it colder. And that's it. Now keep in mind, I am not an electrician and I don't have any real background or experience in this. I just own a house with one of these and it was too cold at the beginning. We opened it up, adjusted it. It's been fine for the past 6 years. So no problems here. I haven't shocked myself doing this before, but there are warnings to be careful when you're touching these components. So do be careful, but it's a simple pop it off, adjust it with the screwdriver, and then pop it back on.